How to create a login page. Number one, and the first task today, how to display the div as a block in my web page. For example, if I click here on this button, display the login block here or the login div here in the middle of the web page. Okay. At first, the first step now, design the login div. Okay. The background, the text box, the buttons, the pictures, and so on. Okay. Start now. Back to the Visual Studio and clear all this code. Okay. And start from beginning. The div. Yes. Now I want to create the div inside the body, for example, here. At first, login button, the login button, ID, login, and here I write here login to display on the page like this. Login. Okay, to display the div here. We said now we learn how to create the div. Number one, right here, div. Inside this div, I want to add a text box, input, type text, for example. Here, style, width 100%, 100% according to the page or to the div, like this. Okay, look now, Control C S to save the changes. Look, this is the text box inside my div. But what about the div width here? Add here style in line CSS inside the tag, not in a separated CSS file. Right here, width, for example, 300 pixel, and the height pixel. Okay, the background color of the div, for example, back to this website and choose this web color, as you see. Share the screen, not all the program. Yeah, from here you can take it copy or select the shadows from here like this. For example, this one, click on the hexadecimal number, right click and press copy. Back now to the program and right here background color. And instead of choose, I have to write the hexadecimal code of the new number. Okay, Control S. Okay, the body, the body, the page background here, style, background color, for example, will be any color or from the same, for example, here, copy, hashtag, then the color number. Okay, now Control C to save the changes, then go to the page, refresh now. This is the web page color and it is the div color. Okay, here I want to display the div here in the middle of the screen, in the middle on the screen. So I have to take a space between the div and the body from here. And inside the style, right here, margin, I have margin, margin top, margin bottom, left, right. From here, left, the left side. Okay, so right margin left, for example, 35 or 40, 100%. Okay, Control S, display the div now like this. Okay, increase or decrease, it's up to you. Okay, at first I want to add here a picture, for example, a picture image, the source from the pic. I want to add a password or the login JPG here. I haven't. So go to the Control S, just 1 minute, Control S. And for example, here from the website, Google, and right here, login. Okay, images. Then go to, for example, this picture. Where? Yes, this one. Okay. Now, right click, save image as, and select my folder. Okay, web development, task 2, grade 10 application, inside pics folder, and save login. Okay, here you can rename this file like this and press save. Now, it's in a source. I can find here login now, as you see, Control S, and here add a style and line inside the tag as attribute style in the width, for example, 90 pixel or 100 pixel, 150, it's up to the space. Then write the height the same, square, 150 pixel. Okay, now Control S and display the div now. Control S. Here, back to the page. Refresh the login. Okay. You can put it in the center, for example, here. You can add here margin from everywhere, top, bottom, left, right. For example, the width of the div equal, okay. And right here, for example, 40 pixel. And try Control S. Okay. Margin here, left to see the result. Okay. I can increase it or decrease it. Now it's okay. Add here, I want to add here a text or label, for example. Label, there's here. Username, Control S. See now the result. Username in the left side. Okay, add here PR or break. Username. I won't write here username as a gray color. Okay. as a hint inside the text box. Hint, enter the username. Here I can add attributes called placeholder. Placeholder. And right here, enter username. Okay, Control S here. Now refresh, check here please. Enter username. Okay, if I click here, it will disappear. Okay, the next one, label number 2, Control C, Control V, and right here, password. Okay, Control S, like this. Now, back to the page, refresh now. I have username and password. And I can here add a break line to take a space between the username and password. Okay, break now, like this. Save now, then refresh the page. Now I added the username and password. Then I'll add the two buttons. Yeah, login or cancel. Login or cancel. Button here, login. Light here is a login. And another one, Control C, Control V, and right here, cancel. Like this. Is a capital? Yes. Control C. Login or cancel. Login or cancel. I have to take space between them. Here, inside the cancel button, I had to add style, for example, here. Margin left. For example, I write 100% like this. To see the result now, cancel. No, it's so much. For example, 40. Okay, like this. Increase again, 60, and see the result like this. Okay, 55. And here, style, margin, left also, 5 pixel or 10 pixel. Okay. Approximately like this. Login or cancel. Here, I want to add a break line. See the result now. Control S. Login, cancel. Login with the green color. Background is a green color, for example. Add here. Background color. And choose from these colors or back to the website. Cooler.co. Okay. And choose, for example, different palette. Green, this one is okay. Control C. Hashtag then, okay. Now the cancel color. Okay. This one. I can select the shading from here. Okay. Copy. And here the background of the cancel, background color, hashtag Control V, like this. Control S now. Now display the page, login and cancel. I have to change the fore color or the text color here. Color white. Also ticket copy. Control C. Control V. I'll repeat it again. Okay. White. Double quotation here. White. Okay. Control S now. Display the result. Login and cancel. Okay. And here is a placeholder. I forget to enter password. Yes. Like this. Here the type will be password. Like this. Okay. Here type is text. But here I remove the type text and replace it with type password. Okay. Yeah. Now I didn't make refresh. Look, it is a type, the text. Okay. But now I want to rewrite the type to password. Refresh the page now. Now I make in the second input password, type password. Okay. Look now. Okay. But here in ordinary text. Now I have finished the div of the username and the password, login and cancel, login and cancel. Okay. At home, you can increase or decrease the width of the div. You can change the background color. You can change the picture as you like. It's up to you. Okay.